Whoa, what up? What's up? You see the box? We got something special today. You hear me? So you see the orange box with some print. What we got is the Air Max 197 VF SW. Now, I don't know if y'all familiar with this, but you see the Nike, the white paper with the Nike print, black, big, bold Nike print. So right here you got more air. And I'm going to read it to you right quick. It say, for the 30th anniversary of the Air Max 1, 12 revolutionaries were invited to design the future of air. The first ever Air Max designed by the community, for the community. The winner was Sean Wotherspoon, vintage store owner and lifelong Air Max fan, who brought together an Air Max 97 upper and the iconic Air Max 1 midsole and outsole. Like the corduroy Nike hats of the 80s that inspired them, they are made to wear and designed to fray. The more you wear them, the better they get. So, I mean, that's a little read on it. You know, I know some of y'all might not want to read it. Probably ain't want me to read it. But here we go. It is. Now, I'm going to tell you, this is a dope shoe. You know, it took a lot of work. Well, I ain't going to say it took a lot of work, but you can see a lot of detail went into the shoe. You know what I'm saying? It comes with two laces. Right here, you got a purple one and like a teal lace. You also have a white lace. And it comes with this like a light yellow lace already in the shoe. But here's a look at the white lace, and it got some little patches that you can replace that go on the tongue. I mean, man, you know, they put a lot of thought into this shoe, man. You know, real special shoe, so they say. You know what I mean? Well, let's look at the shoe. On the back, you see this gray pull tab with some little designs on it. You know, on the inside of the shoe. Pretty simple. I mean, man, look, like I say, it's a dope shoe to me. You know, I can't really speak for anybody else. You know, I mean, it's not really the style that I would go for, but, you know, knowing the meaning behind the shoe or whatnot, it's kind of dope. You know what I'm saying? Now, here's a closer look at that pull tab on the back. Sick details. Here's the front. We got this corduroy print all throughout the shoe. You know, you see that patch on the tongue, which is removable. On the inside, you got the orange Nike with a smiley face. I mean, it's making a smiley face, as you can see. I mean, man, they put, like I say, man, I'm going to say it a couple of times throughout the video, man, they put a lot of thought into this shoe. Got a lot of details that went into it. You know what I'm saying? And this is real high quality material on these things, man. As a look at the bottom, you see the multicolor on the bottom. You see the Nike Air on the bottom. I mean, man, hey, let me know in the comments what you think, man. Here's the little pull tab on the tongue. Here's the patch that comes off underneath. You have like a teal Nike sign. Here's your strings with this chrome tip on it. I mean, man, look, they put, you know, if you could just see this shoe in hand or in person, well, look on the inside. The lining on the inside is like a velvet material. Real soft, real comfortable. You know what I mean? So, you know, that's why I keep stressing about the detail that went into this shoe. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, man, when y'all get a chance, man, y'all check it out, man. I think these release on, March 26, March 28, something. I don't remember. But, you know, I try to put it in the description if I could remember to do that. You know, but let's go ahead and continue to look at the shoe, man. I mean, when these came through today, man, I was like, yeah, now see this what the love of the shoe game is all about, man. You know, like when different things come through, you know, and you can get your hands on them. You know what I mean? Like, this is a nice jewel right here. You know what I'm saying? Here's a look at the air bubble on both sides. It's the same. I mean, man, look. Oh yeah, y'all stay tuned too, because at the end of the video, I will do it on foot. Make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Help me get my subscribers up, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving y'all good content. At least that's how I feel. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving you good content. You know, my narration of the videos might not be as good yet. You know, but I'm gonna get there. Trust me. Trust me. But yeah, man, we're just gonna lay back. We're gonna look at some of these shots. And yeah, like I said, let me know what you think. You know, if you're feeling them, if you're looking to cop, if you're interested, or you're gonna pass, you think they ugly, whatever. You know what I'm saying? If you know a little something else about them that I didn't mention in the video, let me know in the comments, man. I'll try to put it in there some kind of way. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I want to thank all y'all, man, for watching the videos, commenting on the videos, liking, sharing, all of that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, let's keep it up. We're on that 1,000 grind, trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I know it seemed like a small task because they got so many big YouTubers out there. You know what I'm saying? But hey, I'm coming. I'll get there. I'll be there soon. It's gonna take a little bit more work, you know what I mean? But I'll be there because I'm giving y'all this content, man. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. I mean, overall, man, I think it's a dope shoe. You know what I'm saying? A lot of details went into the shoes. You know, they got a lot of nice colors sprinkled throughout the shoe. You know what I'm saying? Some real good material featured on the shoe. You know, the packaging is A1. You know what I'm saying? I mean, hey man, I mean, it ain't too much more you could ask for with a shoe, man, especially if you into the culture, you know what I'm saying? So, like I say, man, look, I want to thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Peddlers Ave 504 and the Sneaker Peddler. And I'ma holler back. But stay tuned because we're about to get into that on foot. Yeah, right about now.